Hello children, this is Geetha. Today in our story time, we will learn a story, The Dotty the Dog. Dotty found a bone. He wanted to go to his kennel and eat it. He has to cross the bridge. While walking on the bridge, he looked down. He saw his own reflection in the water. He thought it was another dog with a bone. He wanted that bone too. So he started barking. His bone fell into the water. So he jumped into the water to search. He lost his bone and left shivering. Did you like the story, children? If you like the story, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is Learn Eas with Geetha. Thank you.